Hi, and this is Michelle. Welcome back to another episode of Life Evolve with Michelle. So, if you feel like your retirement savings are being eaten alive by inflation back home, you aren't alone. Thousands of Americans are quietly packing their bags and headed to a place where the US dollar is currency, but the lifestyle is 50% cheaper. I moved here to Panama to find that out for myself. I'm sharing the 7 specific reasons why this country is currently the number one destination for U.S. expats. We aren't just talking about pretty beaches, we're talking about world class healthcare, a visa program that literally pays you to live here, and a tax system that keeps more of your pension in your pocket. So by the end of this video, you'll know if Panama is just a vacation spot or your next permanent home. If you're worried about the logistics of the move, like this, stick around because I've got a resource that handles the scary stuff for you. So let's dive into reason number one. Let's get into it. Reason number one, the dollar. Panama is a dollarized economy. What this means is no exchange rate, no math, no currency shock. So when you go to the grocery store, there is zero risk of your retirement check losing value because of the local currency crash. What you have in your US bank account is exactly what you spend here. Reason number two, the Pensionata visa, the gold standard. Reason number two is the Pensionata visa. This is arguably the best visa in the world. Once you're in, you get lifetime residency and massive discounts, 25% off of utility bills, 50% off of movies, 25% off of airline tickets, and even 20% off of medical consultations. So I also have a program that I am partnered with, Start Abroad, who can help you get your situation started if it's something that you're thinking about moving to Panama. That link will be in my bio. Reason number three is the healthcare system. Many people don't realize that Panama City has hospitals affiliated with Johns Hopkins. You're getting US level care, but a doctor visit might only cost you $40 or $50. If you saw my recent video on 911 and emergency care, you know that peace of mind is a huge part of the Panama appeal, as well as my healthcare video where I discuss costs. So check those out. Reason number four, taxes. Panama uses a territorial tax system. Generally, if you earned your money outside of Panama, like your US Social Security or 401k, Panama doesn't tax it at all. It's a legal way to keep your money, hard earned money, in your bank. I see you there watching. Why haven't you subscribed yet? We're waiting for you. Come on, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Reason number five is location. You can be back in Miami in 3 hours or Houston in five. For those of us with grandkids or families back home, being in Panama feels like expat life. You're abroad, but you're really never truly isolated. For me, I'm from Atlanta, which is a 3 hour flight. So, hey, I love it here. Reason number six, the climate variety. Most people think Panama is just hot and humid, but that's not the whole story. You can choose the tropical Miami vibe or the city, or you can head to the mountains of Boquete for an internal spring weather where you never even need an air conditioner. And finally, reason number seven, safety. Panama is one of the most stable democracies in Latin America. There is no military here, just a focus on international business and a massive expat community that looks out for one another. It's a place where you can actually breathe and feel secure. Now, seeing these 7 reasons or hearing these 7 reasons, the move might feel like a no brainer. But the paperwork, that's the part that stops most people. That's why I've partnered with Start Abroad. They are a concierge service that handles the heavy lifting, your visa, your pet relocation, even finding your first rental. So if you want that handheld experience, use my link in the description code in my bio. You'll get 5% when you subscribe to them with my code. If this video has helped you, hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 500 subs, and I'd love to have you in the family. I'll see you in the next video.